Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Verge, the Daily Trader. It is November 24th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is having a little bit of a rebound day today. So we are up $6.97. We closed at $11.16. Post-market, we seem to be still even. And I'm using a new mouse today. So I bought the MX Master 3. So I'm still getting used to it. But the side scrolling for the mouse is pretty interesting here. We have a green candle here. And we stop right under 1116.82. Guess what? There are no coincidences. What else can I say about that? We have the same length of wick at the bottom and at the top. This needs some getting used to because I can do both scrolling at the same time. But I think in time I'm going to be faster. Okay, we have the same low of the day, as yesterday, but we made a lower high. So right now, there's a little bit of a smallish downtrend that started on November 22nd. We see it a lot better on the hourly chart. Let me go there. So this is the hourly chart. Yes, so starting November 22nd, the stock started to drop and we had a big drop here yesterday on the 23rd. And then today, this morning, we opened, where did we open? The first candle of the day is right here. So we opened at around at 1080.39. So we opened lower than we closed yesterday. So we closed right here yesterday and we opened just right here and went even as low as 1062. So pretty low. And then we shot back up. Look at the longer wick here, the nice green candle here, and a little bit of a wick there. So a little bit of a selling pressure during that hour. And then we pretty much went sideways and we are getting very close to this resistance right here. Resistance that started on November 22nd. So we are coming close to this and the price was really zigzagging. If I go on the 5-minute chart, it has been zigzagging above 1116.82, below, above, below, above, below, above, below. It was a special day. There was still money to be made today right here, but just minimal money. If we look at the indicators on the hourly chart, so we don't have stochastic over 60. This tells me that this resistance might be holding. Of course, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so we won't see that until Friday at 1 p.m. But it looks like this is going to be maintained and we might be going down to 1054, 1060, depending on when we are reaching this point here. This is what I think is going to happen. But don't invest based on what I say, invest on what actually happens. If you see that the stock is breaking this resistance right here, who cares what I said? I won't even care myself what I said. I'll just react to what is happening. So this is what we need to do. As I mentioned, stochastic under 60, RSI pretty much neutral, that's 50. MACD is still bearish. So MACD has not crossed over bullish yet on the 1-hour chart and neither did the MI. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, the stochastic is still under 60. RSI is still over this descending trend of strength. MACD still has not crossed over bullish and the MI is still fine with that. So nothing new here. So the stock is still stuck between these two lines. We are in a triangle. And what I am talking about here are just minor moves. But until we break this resistance here, the stock is not going on places. This is what we need to wait for. The stock is really consolidating here around $1,100 before its next move. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. We are not going to talk tomorrow. We are going to talk Friday at the end of the day. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.